Papa, how you look at me?
How I look at you, like a woman who has been just in the house where everybody is washing their laundry.
What? Washing
You
laundry?
look like laundry washer woman.
Oh no. Yeah. Did you like my hair? Look
Your
at my
hair?
hair. Oh. See? This
Your
one.
hair is okay if I can correct. Now you became 20 years older.
Oh, really, Papa?
I show you what you need to do.
What's that?
Put that on. Put that on. Put that on.
It's this one, oh, like that?
Yeah, now it's at your age.
That's my age? But
Yeah.
this one? What is this?
This is 70.
This is what? How old I am and this like that.
65. Honestly.
65? My God, Papa.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not 65. Look at me.
Yeah, but you look like.
At 65, Papa. I'm young.
Are you the old woman who wants to go to bingo? Bingo woman.
No, what bingo? See?
You walk like handshaking and
No, I'm not.
to bingo.
I'm not playing bingo. You know that I am not gambler. I am only joking, but not gambler. How you look at me? How you look at me? Papa?
How I look at you
Yeah.
like this.
What's that? How? You look me as what?
What is the right word?
What is the right word?
What? You're supposed to be a woman, beautiful woman, and
Oh.
not the old lady who is.
Yeah, but you know that we are not young enough.
Yeah, but you should not increase the look like that you are older than you are.
You look like older at me? I am look like older?
Yes, if you use that hat.
This is the funny hat.
Ang programang ito ay rated SPG, striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang.
Funny hat? This is funny hat, Papa.
Lengguwahe, karahasan,
And this is
sexual,
most funny.
o droga,
Oh, this is more
hindi
funny?
angkop sa mga bata.
This
Yeah.
one is more funny. That is not more funny.
Don't eat the hat, we have food.
No, I am not. I am only because we are going to Manila.
Oh really? In Manila you need to look like old fart.
Yeah, I need to look like what?
Old fart.
Old pop.
Yeah.
Yes, I am not old pop. Just see that I look like...
My grandmother used that kind of hat.
Huh?
My grandmother used that kind of hat at 60s, not 2025.
What?
My grandmother used exactly this kind of hats in
Yeah, it is.
in
So
early
that the hair will...
60s, 62, 1962.
I am not 62. No,
But
I am young.
1962, my grandmother
I
wear
am young,
these
Dad.
kind of hats, and all his friends, which was 70 and 80 years old, they use also this kind of hats and this kind of.
I am not old, Papa. Oh, you know
Who
that?
believes you?
I am only trying this. If it's okay.
And then you are going to take that back to the shop
Why?
because you took the price list.
Yeah. I am only trying to see if it is nice.
Try to be a human.
Papa, uy. How you look at me?
I saw you how I look at you. I look at you like this.
Papa, uy.
Let's go and have a party. Yeah.
Oh, I can't.
Let's go and have a party. Yeah, Manila party now.
You are funny, Papa. You are funny. So funny.
That's how I look you.
I look like a young woman.
You are killing me.
I
With
look
those-
like a young
With
woman.
those jokes.
Papa.
This is like in Finland we put this kind of bags to the bench, and then someone sits on the back, and it says,
Oh, Papa.